is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of data selector? Meaning of data selector is, so here you see these are all data X0 to X7. 8 pins are there, 8 datas are there. Any one randomly gets selected that you can see at the output. Like your example, you take it as your TV is there. Okay, your remote is there with your hand. How many channels you will get? Generally 1000 channels, 200 channels, 300 channels. So that many channels you are having, that many channels as input you are having, but out of which only one you can see at a time, right? So that is what one example of the multiplexer. Then how we are selecting that particular channel? By using a remote. Those are nothing but selection lines. So here these are the remote. These are called selection lines. Okay, A, B, C are there, na? Those are called selection lines. Right. So enable is a switch, whether on or off. So theoretically not at all discussed, sir, this topic.
I discussed, sir. I explained about 8x1 and 4x1 and also 2x1.
Okay, 8x1s are discussed, right? So if you see that these are the selection lines. If selection lines are 0, 0, 0, means you give 0. This 0, this input will select, means this channel will get selected. This input will get selected, you will get that output. As it is, whatever there, you will get that as output. If you select 0, 0, 1, first input will get selected. That you will get as output. Let's say I will explain you. So first I want 0, 0, 0, right? So you say, you take the 0 means ground. Okay. So here we will keep ground. And 1 means power, voltage. So that also we will take 1 voltage. So this is a voltage terminal. Okay. So this is a signal. In the signal you take voltage DC. So this is voltage. Here I will keep voltage, power. Just double click upon this, you can select voltage, 5 volts, DC. Okay, that we call it as supply, power, logic 1. This is called logic 1. Logic 1 means, now you see 0, 0, 0 I want. 0, 0, 0 means ground. So I am connecting to ground. This is grounded, this is grounded, this is grounded. Now 0 I selected. Means here whatever you have at X0, that you will get it as output. How can I check output? You take one LED. I'll take one LED to check my output is on or off. Okay. Here you can see color of LED, blue color, red color, green color. Okay. So I'll take blue color. So blue color LED I took. That LED I will connect over here. And this is negative, no? Negative must be ground. So negative must be ground. I grounded this. Okay. Now this is the input. What you want to give this input? Whether you want to give to 0 or 1 or simulate it, just run this. Here I use this, but where I can use, let it be, I'll connect here. Okay. Enable must be 0 because to make it on, enable should be 0. Now you see. No power supply, VCC 1, RAID 1 configuration. No. Comparison. Let us once again we will try what's happening here. No power supply specified for net DCC1 in the power rail connection. DCC2 the power rail connections. Again, take a new one. Take a new design. Okay, once again you try multiplexer. Eight to one mux or dual inline 4 to 1 we will see first. All are same, you can take anything. 74LS series. 74LS is where is the multiplexer did you find? 1:4. This is multiplexer. This you will take 8:1. This is 8:1 mux. We'll try with this and take one LED as it is, right? I'm taking same. Take one LED blue color. So here output is there. This is the output white, and this is ground. Take one ground. This is my ground. Okay. So take here ground. The LED should be connected to ground. Negative. Enable you connect to ground, and ABC I am connecting to ground because 0th input will be selected. So whatever it is there, that should come as output. Okay, now you are getting. So LED is off because here 0 is there. Now I will give one here. So take supply. Here this is voltage. Here this is supply. DC. Okay. You'll take one here and just double click upon this. DC voltage is 5 volts. 5 volts. Okay. Okay. Then you connect here. Just run this. Here this is one, but you didn't get. Maybe this enable is there. Na? This enable should be VCC. We'll connect here. Now it will be on. Got it. You see. Now 0, 0, 0 selected. Here output is 1. You got out 1. Here you give 0. So whatever you give here, that will get. If you give 0, you will get 0. So this is your supply. Okay. You give here 0. This is 0, right? So now X not Y bar I connect. Na? Y you connect. Yeah. This is 0. You got 0. Once you connect this is to 1. I'll explain you. 1 not getting. So enable must be ground. Now perfect. Right. See there. Now note down. This is your practical circuit. 74LS151 is the IC number. Here these three are selection lines. If the selection lines are 0, 0, 0 means 0. 0 input gets selected. If it is 1, you will get 1. If it is 0, you will get 0. Enable must be 0. You see now. If output input I connected to 1, you got 1. You change this, there will be no change. You see, this you connect to 1 or 0, there will be no change. You do anything with this, it doesn't matter. See, this is 0 only because it is selection lines is selected to 0. So 0 is 1, so you got 1. Now you make this as 0. This pin you connect to 0. The selection lines are 0. In x0 is 0, so you will get 0. Run it. So you got 0. Understand? This is the run. This is stop. Now the selection lines you select 0, 0, 1 or 1, 1, 1 I will select. See, what is the value of 1, 1, 1? All selection lines I came at to 1. 1, 1, 1. What is the meaning of 1, 1, 1? 7, right? So x7 will get selected. It doesn't matter with this. X7, whatever you have, that will come. Otherwise, I will take it as a one switch I will take. You can easily understand. See, one switch I will take. Just search for a switch. So here I will keep one switch. Okay, this I will connect to VCC. So when you press, one will come. Just run it. So it is on. You can you connect to otherwise 0. Right now you see. Now it is. Now you press the switch, 0 will come. Open the switch, 1 will come. See, X7 it is working with. So this will be far better, right? So all switches I will keep. These are switches are inputs. So like the switches I will keep everywhere. You understand now perfectly. All the switches I kept. This is first one. I keep some distance. Second one, third one, fourth one. Okay, fifth one, sixth one, and seventh one. Okay, this switch is connected here. This one is connected over here. This one is connected over here. This one is connected over here. And this one is connected over here. This one is connected over here. This one is connected over here. And these are all grounded. Okay. Now, these are all ground I am doing. All switches I am connecting to ground. Okay. Any switch is missed? I think this switch is missed. You just run it, you will get the error. See, now selection lines it depends upon. It become more clumsy, right? Only one switch I will give. One switch, this is best. The seventh one is selected, you run. Seventh one, whatever you keep, you will get. Switch is off, 1. Switch on, 0. Exactly. So it doesn't matter with this X0. You see, X0 you change, doesn't change. It doesn't change. It is not on. You see, because selection line 7 is connected. Now another selection line, any one of you say. Shall I make 1, 0, 1? This is 1. Okay, this is ground 0. 1, 0, and I will take 1. 1, 0, 1 means 5, right? So 7th when it doesn't matter, you see. You run. So 7th, it doesn't matter with 7. It's not changing. Now when it will change? It will change with the 5th pin. So this is the 5th one, right? So you take now. Now you can understand now, you see. Run. So 5th one is open, LED on. On, off. Understanding? The multiplexer will select one input randomly out of your 8, 0 to 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 inputs are there. Depending upon your selection, that this is your remote. What you press? If you press 0, 0 pin will select. If you press 1, 1 will select. So whatever you give there, that will reflect at your output. If you give 1, 1 will reflect. If you give 0, 0 will reflect. So this is your selection. This is your exactly experimenting. Is that clear? Did you understand this, anyone? Uh,
Yes, sir.
Sanvita, roll number 42. Did you understand 1842? Are you there in the class? Soundarya, roll number 1. Roll number 1, are you there in the class? So I think theoretically you might have learned this. Practically, this is your output. Roll number 2, Mahati. Anyone there?
Yes, sir.
So, guys, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So, respond your. Any doubt? Shall I explain again? The thing is, which selection line you want to skew, that input only will work. So these are your selection lines. Selection line is, let it be, I want to give 6. 1, 1, 0, right? So this will be 1. This will be 1. This will be 0. Okay? Now you see, I think either maybe it is 0, 1, 1 or 1, 1, 0. 6th or 3rd. Now, this connected to 5th one, it won't work, you see. It won't change with 5th one. Because it is connected to 6th selection line is selected. Now take the 6th, stop simulation. You take the 6th one. Okay, now you run. See, I think 3rd it is 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, it is like 0, 1, 1. This is MSB, okay? 3rd, you take 3rd one. 3rd you connect to switch. Now you see there. Run. See, open 1, close 0. So because selection line 3, this is the channel selected this input as output. So whatever you give here, it is changing. Right? Understand now? Only 2 students understand. Tawasam and Geeta Kumari. Rest of the students. Mr. Suresh, Akshit, Count India understand. Okay. Now this is enable. Enable must be 0. If you make enable 1, it won't work. You see, enable 1 I made. So it doesn't matter. It doesn't work. See, LED is always off. It doesn't work. So enable should be 0 and a particular selection line should be selected. Okay. So note down this IC. In a note down this IC number, IC pins, this circuit diagram. Sanas sir, are you there, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So is this enough, sir? Or shall we do one few more?
4x1 marks, sir. 4x1 marks is available.
Okay, 4x1
So
marks.
just
Okay, we'll see that.
if you show 4x1 marks, sir, so
Okay,
that we can wind up.
note down this. So it is 151. 151 is 8x1. So IC number 153. Now let's do 4x1. Take go for pickup. IC number 153. Okay. First for IC number 153. Okay. how it is written once you see 74153 research 74153. Okay, yeah, 74153 is there. You can see here, right? 74LS153. Many variants are there. I think anyone we can take, not a problem. Let's take this. We'll delete these are all. But LED I want, switch I want, these are all I want. We'll keep this as it is. 74LS153 we will take. Keep here. So here you can see there are two outputs are there. One for the first multiplexer, second for the second multiplexer. Okay. One enable for first one, second enable for second one. Two selection lines. Because 4 inputs are there, two selection lines will be there. Let's connect this. So selection lines, first I will make 0, 0. Okay. And first multiplexer I am checking, so I will take first one. So this is VCC, right? So enable, both the enables I will make 0 because both the multiplexers will be on. Right. Now selection lines are 0, 0 means this pin, this input is get selected, 0th input. Understand? 0th input is selected. Now let's run this. No model specified for human, failed simulation error. I think few are not getting actually. Enables are selected. We'll take another 153. 74 ALS 153 not getting. No? We'll take another one. 74153 is the IC number. So first one we will take. Okay, these are selection lines. Make it as 0. Enables, selection lines are also 0. And first one I want. This is connect here. Let's run this. Okay, now you are getting this. Perfect, right? This is 4 cross 1. 4 cross 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 we will give. 0, 0 we given. Now we will give 0, 0, 0, 1 we will give. This is first one. This is maybe 0. This will be 1. Okay. 0, 0, 0, 1 by give. 0, 1 is it won't give. It doesn't respond. You see, 0, 0, 0, 1 we selected. 0, 1 means 1. Na? So first one you see here. I think which one is MSB? That is the thing matters. I think this is second one. Wait, this is 0, 0. MSB is AMA. 0, 0. This is 0, 1. 0, 1. 0, 1 means 1. First input. Now first input is selected. You see. Got it? Now doesn't matter with this one. Other won't work. 1, 0 you give now. Selection line. Selection line. This is 1. And this will be 0. Now you run. So it doesn't work with first one. Understand? Now because you selected second one. So you give to second one. You give to second one. You run now. It will work. See. Understand? Now you give 1, 1. Both the selection lines make it as 1, 1. Both may be 1, 1. Now you run. It won't work with second one because you selected 1, 1, 3. So third one you have to give. So this is third thing. Run. Now you see, perfect, right? It's working. To select, multiplexers are used to select the particular input out of many. So 2 selection lines, 2 for 2, 4 inputs will be there. If you have 3 selection lines, 2 for 3, 8 inputs will be there. If you have 4 selection lines, 2 for 4, 16 inputs will be there. How many selection lines are there? That many 2 for n inputs will be there. Okay? Here actually 2 4:1 multiplexers are there. So 2 4:1 multiplexers you can use. Advantage. Okay? 7 for 153 advantages. Both you can use. Okay, sir. So we check 2:1 also, sir.
So time is there, sir.
If you want, you will see.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We will see that IC available. 157. 157 is the IC number. Let's check that 74157. Yeah, it is available, right? So we will do it. This is simple only. This is very simple. Okay, I will delete this. This take 74157 IC. Here you see 4 available. One we will check. Only one selection line will be there. Okay. Enable must be 0 now. 0 connected. This is your only one selection line. 2 inputs. One selection line means 2 inputs will be there. Na? Either one selection line, 2 power on 2 inputs. The first one we are using, these are the 2 inputs. Now first we will make selection line 0. This is the selection line. Selection line 0 means first input will get selected. You see now. Run. See, getting. We make 0 means first input will get selected. Second input it doesn't work. You see, you give second input. Run. So it is not changing. You see. Now you give 1. Selection line 1 you give. The moment you use selection line 1, second input will get selected. You run now. You see. So this is the 3 types of multiplexes we have in our syllabus. 2:1, 4:1, 8:1. 2:1, 2 inputs, 1 selection line. One selection line will be there, 2 inputs will be there, 1 output. Always 1 output. 2:1, 1 output, 4:1, 1 output, 8:1, 1 output. Okay? 4:1 multiplexer, 2 selection lines, 2 for 2, 4 inputs. Any one input will get selected always. Now you imagine you want 200, you have 200 channels. Means how many selection lines you need? Okay, you check that. 2 power how much? 2 power 20. Yes or no? 2 power 20 around, 2 power 11. 2 power 11 will give you around 2048. 2000 will give. 2 power 11 means funny. 6 inputs, 6 you take, 256, 7 you take, 7 selection lines you take, 2 power 7, 256 channels you can use. Hope you understand. So all 3 discussed. Shall I discuss anything?
Q response, students.
So did anyone understand this at least? If you have theoretical concepts, same almost very point we discussed. So which selection line, the moment you change the selection lines, inputs will get selected. A particular output will come. Okay. So hope you enjoy.